for that, I'll solve one example just to see. So if I go for the problem number 15, so what I'm having is here, y is equal to x plus 5, right? And y is equal to x square minus x plus 2. So here it is what? Substitution method, okay? Substitution method means in the place of this y, I need to substitute this one. So as both y are equal, I can write this as x plus 5 is equal to x square minus x plus 2. I'm substituting this y here. Is it clear here? Mylene?
Yeah. Yeah, so you just
Yeah. So is this clear? This step first, this is the first step.
So do you subtract the x from one side?
Yeah, that I'll do. So, but writing this step is clear.
Wait, so your first step is it just to subtract the x and 5, I thought?
Yeah, so that's 2. But how this step has got, that is clear. How did I get this step? Is that clear? This one, this line is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I had to subtract 5 on both the side, right? Oh, sorry, x on both the side. Then what I'll get here? 5, right, is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2, right?
Yeah.
So I have to write this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 form. This equation.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, again, I have to subtract 5 on both the sides.
Yeah.
Then I'll get here 0 is equal to x square minus 2x. What I'll get? Minus 3. Okay. So what the equation is here? X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So can we factorize this equation? Factorize this equation. What do we get?
Yeah.
X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So if I consider these two terms, I'll get x common. So x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So when I factor, I'll get x minus 3 and x plus 1. Right? These are the two factors. So using this 0 property, what I will get? Either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here I'll get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to negative 1, right?
Yeah.
So when x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, what is the solution? With x, I'm having one linear equation. That is what I'm having. Y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. So then y is equal to what? 3 plus 5. That is y is equal to 8. Right? When x is equal to negative 1, then what I'm having? Y is equal to negative 1 plus 5. That is y is equal to 4. So here the when x is equal to 3, I'm getting y is equal to 8. Or when x is equal to -1, I'm getting y is equal to 4. These are the two coordinates.
Yeah.
Okay. See, only the thing is that you have to simplify this equation for x is equal to or y is equal to and substitute in the other equation. That is what you need to do. Okay. Okay. You solve problem number 18.